So today we're going to talk about converting measurements. And yesterday you should have memorized these benchmark measurements using your flashcards. So this is why that was important that we remembered them, because they're not going to give us these on the SOL. So to convert, let's say that you need to know, how many ounces are in 4 pounds. So we know 4 pounds is what we know. We do not know how many ounces. So we're going to put 4 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super simple. Now when we multiply something, remember the number gets bigger. So since multiplying is bigger, we're going to put multiplying here. And when we divide something, the number gets smaller. So we're going to put that division down here. And I'm going to put an L for larger and a S for smaller, so that I remember. Now I know that I have 4 pounds, so I'm going to put 4 pounds right here. That's my starting point, just like you read. So you're going left to right. So I know 4 pounds. I have to decide, is 4 pounds, and I need to get to ounces. So ounces goes here. So I need to decide, is pounds heavier than ounces? Now we reviewed a lot that a pound is like a can. So if I think of a can of beans, and an ounce is like a slice of bread. And you guys know I can't draw, or I would do a little doodle for you. So we gotta think, is 1 pound heavier than 1 ounce? So is 1 can heavier than 1 piece of bread? Yes, it is. So it's larger. So I'm gonna circle this so I remember, because you know I have a bad memory. So 4 pounds is how many ounces? I know I need to multiply. So here's where the memorization came in. I need to know how many pounds are in an ounce. So here I go. Using my memorization, I have 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So I'm going to put 16 ounces right here. So I know I'm doing 4 times 16. You guys can use a calculator. I don't care how good you think you are at math. You are using a calculator. So we're doing 4 times 16. So 4 times 16 equals 64. 64 ounces. So I would write it, 4 pounds equals 64 ounces. I didn't have to use down here because I didn't do division, because pounds is larger than ounces. Let's do one more together. Let's do 3 feet equals how many inches? So I'm going to set it up the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know multiplication numbers get bigger, division they get smaller. I'm going to put an L for larger, you can put a B for bigger, S for smaller, just to remember. So feet, this is what I'm starting with, 3 feet. I'm trying to get to inches. So let's think about a foot. A foot is about the size of your forearm. An inch is like the size of your knuckle. So a foot is larger than an inch. So I would circle larger, and it would be the same thing. I need to now look and see how many feet are in an inch. Let's go back. So I have 1 foot equals 12 inches. So I'm going to put 12 inches right here. So I know I'm multiplying. 3 times 12. 36. So my answer is 36 inches.